Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to enable fast charging on Samsung Galaxy A34 and also it's the same for A54. So let's do it. So here is my Samsung Galaxy A34 and also I have here a 25 watts power adapter from Samsung. And a little tool. With this one I will measure the real power of the charger. And now let's plug in the charger. And the other side I will connect to this tool. And let's plug into the phone. Now it's charging. And this is the real power, 7.9 watts. Okay. And now I will disconnect. And to enable the fast charging, just go to settings. And now go down and we have here battery and device care. Tap on this. Tap on battery. Now go down. And we have here more battery settings. Tap on this feature. And here there is fast charging. Now it's turned off, and to turn on, just tap here. And now let's exit. And I will connect again my cable with this tool. And now it's charging. And let's see now the real power. And it's 19 watts. It's not the maximum, but I guess also this is enough to charge faster your phone. So the fast charging, it's working. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.